back in 2013, at the height of the work that I was doing in the ministry, in fact, I was so involved in a big megachurch in Chicago when everything came to a halt. I found out over the course of a couple of years some of the things that were happening at the leadership level, and I ended up making the decision to leave my church. What I didn't see coming was how that decision would end up unraveling my faith to the point of deconstruction. Today, as a result, I have a book that I've written on this process that I went through. The book is called Fractured Faith: Finding Your Way Back to God in an Age of Deconstruction. That process of healing that I went through, that process of coming back to God, involved a woman named Julieyce. She was the one who did a lot of the work that brought to light what was happening at the church that I was at, but she was also the person who invited me to speak at the first Restore conference a couple of years back. And that talk that I did at the Restore conference opened up the space for healing in my soul. It was a critical step in that. Well, in May 20 and 21 of this year at Judson University in the outside northwest suburbs of Chicago, there will be another Restore conference. This is the second Restore conference, and I'm honored to be one of the speakers. So I'd like to invite you to sign up to come to that conference. It will be worth your while. I believe if you've gone through any type of church hurt, you will be ministered to deeply. Our generation right now, this era that we're living in, is an era characterized by disappointment in the church. And so if that's you and you're hurting, and maybe you've never told your story to anyone, or maybe you just are sick of Christianity because of it, then you need to sign up to come to Restore 2022. You can find out how to do it at restore2022.com. I would love to meet you in person. I'm asking you to sign up now for the conference, and just know that you are being prayed for even as we speak.